Please give them a round of applause, please. Thank you. Okay. Anambra women. Let's get ready to come out and do your own presentation. Anambra women. Who is the leader of Anambra women? Will you have the man where been? Yeah, there she is. Okay. Let's go on and gather your people around. Go on and gather your people.